All right, our focus question. So finally, Katie finished her picture to make it look like a dog. She needs to cut out a nose. So the nose has a base of 2 and a height of 1/2. After she cuts out the nose, what is the total area that will be colored now? So first, what we're going to do is find the area of the nose. So the nose is a triangle. Ooh, nope, not that one. This one. Her nose is a triangle. So the nose, if we take the area of a triangle is base times height and then divide it by 2. So if we do 2 times, so I'm doing 2 times 1/2, I can put that over 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the area of the nose is going to be 1. You can put inches squared if you want. Now, we're going to subtract this 1 from the area that we found yesterday with the eyes, without the eyes. So we're going to take 44 and we're going to subtract 1. So 44 minus 1 is 43. That's it for our focus question. Great job.